because this is a very interesting question, is devote a separate video and even a separate series to dreams. Discussing the non-terminal mechanics of dreams, which you allude to, discussing the teleodynamics of dreams, which have to do with the goals that those mechanics are leading one to. Yeah, I mean, sorry, I'm not going to be able to answer this question in full right now. I'm not prepared to do so in this setting. I'm going to have to really coalesce my thoughts regarding dreams or oniric states in order to really do this. I mean, it's going to be difficult. I don't suggest to understand the non-terminal mechanics and teleodynamics of oniric states. I don't. But insofar as I am, feverishly interested in this, I mean, this is a lifelong thing that I've been always interested in. I will definitely try to answer your question in a separate video and even a series. Now, let me see if I can give you a bit of a hint of what I think. So, incarnationally, aka terminally, we experience state transformation through sequences. Right? We have state transitions from state to state to state. Macroscopically, for example, I walk across the room, I go get some water, I drink the water, I sit back down. All of my microscopic states are also technically in sequence, but of course, those are more difficult to track. In dreams, we don't have terminal expressions composed or terminal sequences composed of terminal states or symbols, primarily. Right? Just like terminally, we don't have non-terminal expressions composed of syntactic forms or events or properties, primarily. But we do have a tinge. So when we dream, the reason why dreams are so, fluidic and dynamic and difficult to decipher is because we're not experiencing state-wise transformations. We're experiencing event-wise transformations, and our higher order levels of syntax are what are governing those transformations. The messages and the communications that we receive in dreams are essentially inhering in the events that are transforming around us rather than state-wise transformations. Now, there are state-wise some dreams. In fact, many dreams for some people are quite terminally oriented. And those dreams are tailored to your particular predilections of consciousness. If you are very terminally oriented, then your dreams are going to be very terminally oriented in general, right? There are, of course, exceptions to this. If you're very non-terminally oriented, then your dreams are going to be quite disjoint from your terminal reality, and they're going to be structured thematically. Okay, and teleodynamically. So those of us who are exploring lucid dreaming are doing so by terminally anchoring the non-terminal mechanics of dreams, which is useful. It can be fun, but you're not experiencing event-wise transformations. You're not experiencing non-terminal expressions in full. And that, I would argue, is the true virtue of dreams.